Review Hub. Specifications. Brand name, Catchface. Model number, V6. Smart Home Platform, Tuya. Fingerprint Capacity, 100. Password/card capacity, 200. Number of users, 300. Power supply, 7.4 V lithium battery. Fit door thickness, 40 to 100 millimeters. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Power supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Handle direction reversible. Ways to unlock: card, fingerprint, mechanical keys, password app, face recognition, Wi-Fi. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.